Hello everyone, today I am here with an Inglot gel liner hack. If you are using this pot, you must know the struggle to clean out the brush as it gets stiff and cleans with no makeup remover or any soap. So I have a quick hack to clean it with this multi-purpose Vaseline. What I am doing, I am taking a little amount of Vaseline on the back of the brush and just putting it on the back of my hand, and now rubbing this brush into this with a very gentle pressure, just not to disturb or de-shape the bristles or break the bristles. As you can see, the gel is already coming off. Now I am taking a tissue and wiping off the excess on the brush, and now taking some more and repeating all the procedure again. It will hardly take you 2 minutes to clean out your brush. As you can see, it's the Vaseline is getting clearer. So all the gel has already on my hand. So again wiping off with tissue, and you can already see the white bristles of the brush. And now wiping off my hand with the same tissue, and you can see everything is squeaky clean and there is no gel on the brush. Save the video and